Well, tomorrow is the day the movie Jackie hits the theaters. It is in limited release in New York, D.C., Los Angeles. Coming here to Charlotte around Christmas, and Chef Marti Mongiello joins us this morning to make one of the desserts that was a favorite of Jackie Kennedy.
Yeah, and this was served in the White House. May 24th to Princess Grace of Monaco.
Fabulous.
So,
it smells delicious, and it's a beautiful dish and kind of a light dish.
Yeah, nothing heavy cake or a cheesecake.
Yeah.
Yep, kind of simple. Really easy. The recipe, going to use some egg whites with vanilla and cream of tartar.
I love this too. You're okay with just using this? You don't have to separate the egg yourself?
No, this is fantastic, and this is a problem in
You're
1961 when this is served. They are using egg whites, and people are deathly afraid of them today, Paige. So I'm buying pasteurized egg whites in the year of 2016. For the folks out there in TV land, it is safe to eat egg whites.
That's a good point. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm whipping this up.
We got a nice peak on that.
Yes.
And why don't we start you
Whatever
off? I've got
is.
one done. And here, we use this little spoon, and we can jump in there.
And you just have chopped up strawberries there, right?
Yeah, just some chopped up strawberries on the bottom page. And then why don't you also come in, will you give us some whipped cream here?
Yes.
Yeah.
See, I thought those were the same thing. This is two different things,
Yeah, we got a whipped cream here, heavy cream, sugar, and we use some
Dollop?
whip it. Dollop and dollop number 2.
Dollop number
Why
2.
not?
Wait, you said, what is it? Heavy cream, sugar?
Heavy cream.
Sorry, I got on the side.
Oh, that's okay. It gives us a reason to want to lick it.
Yeah, exactly.
Sugar, and we're using this whip it as a stabilizer.
Okay.
Is really quite handy. Look at this. I'll make that disappear. A couple of strawberries on there, and I think we're good to go, Paige.
2.
Yep.
Just layer there. Okay.
Yeah, just get them in there.
And
why not have a blackberry for a decoration, 2 or 3? Okay.
Lovely. And now we get to the fun part,
Ah,
Chef.
yes, indeed. We got some wild strawberry jam here and a little Kirschwasser, cherry water.
Love
in
it.
German, and Grand Marnier.
And does the cherry water have? That's no alcohol, right? That's just.
It is alcohol.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I like it even
go
more.
to the ABC store here. Yep.
What do you ask for? Can you just say cherry water if you don't know how to pronounce your fancy
what
name?
is the Kirschwasser? Yeah, where is the Kirschwasser?
Where is the cherry water?
The cherry water. And look at that, you're gonna just drizzle.
Beautiful.
Okay? You want to get in there, jump on a drizzle?
Yeah, sure. I'll drizzle.
Yeah.
Here, I'll drizzle for you. Why don't you give us the
You're
details for the
peeking
event
this morning. You jumped in on a drizzle.
Look at that. If the TV thing doesn't work out, I can.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
Looks
There are the details for the event. If people want to come out tomorrow night, let us know.
Absolutely. Come down to the Presidential Culinary Museum and see us. We're going to have a nice party, some French hors d'oeuvres and French champagne. You know, the Kennedys loved French food. And their chef, Rene Verdon, was a very famous French chef that Jackie hired. So
come out and check it out. Look at this, lovely dessert that you get to try too. Chef Mongiello, thank you so much for coming in. Lovely to have you.